Hello everybody. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to get started accessing the course material for our math class remotely. And so what you want to do here is go into ACES, log into ACES. Once you get into ACES, get into Canvas, just like you're doing the homework. And when you're in the dashboard, you'll notice there should be a new course there, which talks about accessing your course remotely. I would it's probably called something like Remote Access Boot Camp or something like that. I would strongly encourage you to click on and go through that Canvas course because it's going to help you with addressing how to use the software for this course and the other courses. Now I'm just going to pick on one of my math classes, but the directions I'm giving here are going to be the same for the other math class. And so just go into modules like you normally do. And the first thing you're going to notice here that I've included a revised course calendar. They are not extending the semester as far as I know, so we've had to move some dates around and stuff to make some changes. So I also include that in an email. And so then you'll see under week 9, so that's next week. And what I would do is just work through each step on this module. It'll take you through all the material and everything like that. So click on week 9 agenda, shows you what we're going to do this week. You click on next. And this is a copy of the revised course calendar. So this would be as if you were walking in class and picking up handouts. This would be one of the handouts. This would be like another handout. And just keep hitting next here at the bottom just to navigate through this systematically. And what you'll see here, and I got to do a little editing here to fix this up, is you're going to see, in this case, there's 2 videos that go with this section in the workbook. And so what you do is you click on the first video, and what I recommend once you click on it, just go ahead and click on maximize the screen so you can watch it. You can go through it. Once you're done the video, just exit out, and then you're going to move on to the next video. Again, just maximize it. Just go ahead and maximize it. And then just listen to the video. And as you listen to these videos, they're going to go through the problems in the workbook. Make sure you have your workbook with you. You can copy it down. The nice thing is you can also pause. You can also, go back and so forth and re-go over a problem. And that's how the lectures are going to be presented in the class. Once you're done with that, just hit on next. You'll get to like maybe another handout, and you just kind of keep going through doing the videos. Make sure you access all the videos all the way through. And what I try to do with these videos, I try to keep them down to between 10 and 20 minutes. So if you can watch one video in a section and you want to take a little break, that's fine. And I would recommend that you do this during your class time, but there's no requirement. You can do it outside of class time as well. And just keep going through your notes, go through the videos, just click on next. And then finally, when you get here, you'll know that you've completed the module for that particular week and gone through all the notes. And then of course, click on here to access MyLabs Plus. And of course, you can click back on modules to go back and reselect any of these that you want to go back over. And I will be emailing you more information as I get it. We'll be setting up some Zoom times where you can actually join a Zoom meeting. Probably part of it will be during class time so that if you're having your technical issues or if you have questions over example from one of the YouTube videos and you need some more explanation, uh, we'll have that availability. But for right now, just go ahead and start working through this stuff. Go ahead and email me questions as you proceed. And I will also try to get more information how you can access MathWorld tutoring, so on and so forth. Anyway, best of luck. I know this has not been a fun time, so be safe. And I hope to hear and interact with you soon. I also will go and give you more details about how the testing is going to work, particularly for those that need to take the test. So I will get to that information you probably sometime Sunday. So in addition to the email I just sent out with a link to this video, also expect another email Sunday that will also kind of walk through some additional things. Anyway, take care of yourself, and I'm sorry this has happened, but we'll try to make the best of it. Thank you.